In this video, let me show you how to fix the Instagram cannot download data. So if you're having issues downloading your data of Instagram, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now, if you have already tried to download the data and if you are not receiving, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have chosen the HTML format. HTML formats or HTML files are significantly smaller and compile faster. And if you have chosen the JSON format, the second time trying out, you can try the HTML file and tap on the save button and you should be able to receive your data. But however, if you're still having issues with it on the application, what you can then try out is use the Instagram web. Open up your laptop or your desktop or even a web browser on your phone, head over to the same settings and make sure you try using the web version. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This is likely an Instagram side issue. So in these situations, you just need to wait out a couple of hours and you should be able to receive the data automatically. Or what you can also do is after a few hours, try receiving the data again. So that's pretty much all there is to it. And once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.